The next set of angles we're going to look at are vertical angles and adjacent angles. This video is specifically going to focus on a vertical angle and what they are. They are across from each other. Okay. When two straight lines intersect and they share a common vertex. Okay, now here, remember, you name angles based off of the vertex, and the vertex will always be the middle point. So G, so if I start my marker here, and I go to E, and then I go to H, this whole piece right here is my angle, okay? So it's 46. Now, which other angle is 46? Because I have the congruent symbol. So I see that this area right here is also 46. So you can name this one or two ways. You could say F-E-I or I-E-F. The order in which your beginning and ending point of reference is listed does not matter. So for the next one, IEH, so I to E and then E to H is all of this, and it's 134. So I can see up here is 134 as well. And my points are F, E, G, or G, E, F. Again, it doesn't matter. Okay? Now, vertical angles make what I like to think of as a V as well. So here, this and this, right, they're across from each other. They make a V, and they're the same size. So the measurement of angle X is 133 degrees because it's across from 133 degrees. This forces the remaining two angles each have a degree measure of blah. Now you can do this one or two ways. You can either imagine that you don't know anything about this and you're just trying to find that angle. Well, this right here is a straight line. So you can say 133 plus blank is equal to 180, because remember, straight lines have an angle measure of 180 degrees, thus being supplementary. And then you just solve for the missing angle. I would call it Y. So minus 133 to both sides. You get Y is equal to 47. Now if I erase this and this, and say I found this was 47, right? It's a vertical angle to the other angle. Now remember, vertical angles have the same size and angle measure. So what I want you to do is solve for X in this last question and then find the value of each angle. Okay, so two parts. Solve for X first. After you solve for X, evaluate each angle, find their measurement, and then also find, I'm just going to call it angle 1 and the measurement of angle 2, and upload that picture to Canvas for me.